So here's the chart of Magnificent Seven, guys. So Tesla here, as you guys can see, long-term parallel channel that connects the lows here, the highs here, and then it's kind of like trading in this wedge pattern that's formed since 2021 high, 2023 bottom, 2024 bottom here. Then the midline of the parallel channel here is acting as support, while all the way up here would be resistance. So these are the levels to watch whether you're long or short. The Nvidia right here, you guys can see it's been on an uptrend since 2022, but yeah, it's been on an uptrend in general. But since it broke out from this parallel channel with confirmation, so if we get back above this parallel channel here at around 100, that would be a good buying opportunity. Break below that would be bad, as it could go all the way down to $87 or $88. That would be the first support, and then if that were to break, then there would be support along the way here. So those are the levels to watch for Nvidia. But until this upper end of the parallel channel gets broken to the downside, then these will be the levels to watch. But right now, there is going to be level here at around 166, maybe all the way back down to 154, 155, if Nvidia were to flush down there this week or this month. And then Microsoft is kind of stuck in this wedge pattern here that's developing. Um, the upper end of the parallel channel is the upper trend line of the wedge, and then the lower part of the wedge is this support that connects to 2020 low, 2022 lows, and if we hit that, that would be the third or fourth hit. And the meta here is in this upsloping parallel channel. We never broke above it, and we're kind of like stuck in this tightening wedge pattern. So at some point, by maybe as early as this year, we might see a breakdown sometime this year of this upsloping trend line. And then Google, we broken out from this parallel channel just last year, and we confirmed on November 3rd the move to the upside. So if this were to just chop sideways, we may be looking for more upside on Google, but this is overdone on the monthly time frame, as you guys can see on the RSI. So yeah, this might actually come back and retest the upper end of the parallel channel, in which case it might be support if it's really a confirmed breakout. Otherwise, if it doesn't hold the support around 285, then we could see this go all the way down to 210 really, really quickly. And Amazon here is also kind of stuck in this wedge pattern that connects the highs from 2021, the highs here from 2025, the highs here from November 3, 2025, and the lows here. So at some point, this will either break to the upside or to the downside. So that's what we're going to be watching for. Amazon. And lastly, Apple. So Apple is kind of stuck in this almost looking like a parallel channel. So this has been the high since 2022 here, high in 2024, and then now it looks like we're starting to sell off again. So this could go to as low as 203, 205 in the coming months. As long as this stays within this parallel channel, even if it goes to the midline of the parallel channel, I would buy there, and then at the low end of the parallel channel, I would buy there as well. So these are your levels to watch in the long term, Apple. All right, guys, so that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this useful. Feel free to give me a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to follow for my next future videos or live streams. Feel free to comment if you have any special requests or whatsoever, or send me a direct message. And feel free to share with your family and friends. Thank you again, and have a good rest of your weekend.